Hello everyone, I welcome each and every one of you to the second day of Circle Time with Miss Vivene. So today I want all of you to on your listening ears again and your looking eyes to be on. Before that, I want all of you to sing a song with me. Can you all stand on your feet and do the action along with me? Yes, very good. You all are very smart and active and I'm so happy for that. I hope you have enjoyed my class and even today I am so excited to be taking your class again. So this is the day 2 and we have many more days to go ahead. So before that, I want all of you to sing the good morning song with me. Good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning, good morning, good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Now I want you to be more faster. Good morning to you, good morning to you, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Yay! That was so much fun to sing so fast. Okay, so now I want all of you to open up your ears and listen to the sound that is coming from there. Do you remember what used to come from there? It is a good morning train. Are you all ready to sing the song with me? The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. The good morning train is coming, the good morning train is coming, the good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. Now let's learn that song in a different way and we'll say hello to my friends wearing red, choo choo, and we'll say hello to my friends wearing blue, choo choo, and we'll say hello to my friends wearing yellow and green. When we'll say hello to my friends wearing white, choo choo. Wow! You must be wearing different colors than the names I have said, but I wish all of you good morning, whatever color you are wearing today. So now I want all of you to look at this finger. Does anyone know what is the name of this finger? Yes, the name of this finger is pointer finger, and also it is known as index finger. Pointer and also an index finger because we use this finger to point. Is there anyone who uses this little small pinky finger for pointing around? If I point like this, will you feel funny? Yes, because this is not the right finger, or this is not the right finger to point, or this ring finger I cannot point with it. Yes, we need this finger for pointing. Yes, that's very true. We need this finger. We cannot be using this finger as pointer finger. Okay, so now I want all of you to sing the days of the week with me. One more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days in a week. Do you know how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Very good. So, what day is today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Okay, so today is Friday. Can we spell the word Friday together? F R I D-A-Y. Friday. It is starting with the letter F. Friday. Can you all tell me what was the day yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. T-H Thursday. Thursday. Yes, yesterday was Thursday and today is Friday. Very good. And tomorrow will be? Can anyone tell me what day will be tomorrow if today is Friday? Tomorrow is Saturday. Can anyone tell me? Saturday. Yes, very good. Okay, so you are learning the days of the week with me, isn't it? Yes, so let's all do one more thing. One more thing, which is you have to spell the word Friday again. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Very good. So what is the number of the week? Does any one of you remember it? I think it was number something like S and going up like this, and S. Or some of you may be thinking like it is a 0 and 2 0 together. What is that number? The number 8. Very good. The number 8. So today I want all of you to count the popsicle sticks right over here with me. Okay, are you ready for that? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wow! 8 popsicle sticks. Very well. And now can you tell me what was the letter of the week? It is a standing line and a cross, and in the middle again another thing across. What was that? Yes, it is a letter F. And what was the sound of letter F? F. F. Yes, very good. One more time. F. Now let's use that sound and try to recollect the 5 words that we have learned starting with the letter F. Flower. F. Frog. F. Fish. F. Fan. F. Flag. Very well. And this is how we make a fish with our hands. This is how we make a fish with our hands. This is how we make a fish with our hands, with our hands. This is how we make a fish with our hands. A fish should dive in the water. Okay, so as we continue, can you look outside of your window again and tell me what is the weather? Is it windy? Or is it rainy day? Out here it is very sunny. Out here it is very sunny. Out here it is very sunny and very hot. And the fan is on right up here because it is a very sunny day. When will the rainy day come? I'm so much waiting for it. I want you to see the rainy day in my class time. But I'm really sorry, today is sunny day. Okay, so I want to ask you one more thing. What was the shape of the week? What was the shape of the week? The shape of the week which has 4 sides with 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides. What was that shape? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it was a square. It is a square shape. Very good. Square. Don't forget. Can you tell me what is the color of that square? Yes, the color of the square is purple. Purple. Can you spell the word purple with me? Are you ready for that? Yes, so let's spell it together. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Very good. And today I have brought a song for all of us to do the actions and sing together. Are you ready for that? So let's start. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. One more time. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Yay! I like the song so much, so much and so much. Did you like it? Yes. So, if you have liked it, you have to learn it. Are you ready to sing in the next Circle Time Day 3 class? Yes. So, all of you need to learn it and come so that we can all sing together. Before that, I want to sing one more last time. I really want to sing it with you. I enjoy it. Let's start. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Yay! Let's give a big round of applause. Today we have really enjoyed the class. So, Miss will bring another new things in the next class. So you have to be ready to learn. Okay? Yes. So I will see you in the next class. Bye, class. Thank you.